Welcome to the Moral Dilemma, a powerful activity to help you think critically about responsibility, relationships, and the consequences of actions. Perfect for high school students, this game fosters teamwork, debate, and presentation skills while exploring ethical decision-making. This activity is designed to develop your teamwork and rational thinking, enhance your debate and presentation skills, raise awareness about the relationship between actions and their consequences, encourage meaningful discussions about love, relationships, and morality. By the end of this activity, you'll be more confident in sharing your opinions, listening to others, and understanding different perspectives. To prepare, 1. Print a copy of the Alligator River story and the accompanying character grid and ranking tasks for each participant or group. 2. Set up the classroom for group discussions. 3. As the facilitator, remain impartial during the activity to allow open discussions. Optional, play soft background music to maintain focus and manage group dynamics. Here's how the activity works. 1. Divide participants into groups of 3 to 5. 2. Hand out the Alligator River story and have everyone read it silently or listen as you read aloud. 3. Once everyone is familiar with the story, distribute the character grid and explain the first task. Analyzing the character's behavior and responsibility. Give the groups time to discuss and complete the grid, then move to the next step. Ranking the characters based on their actions. Encourage lively debate and reasoning within each group. After the groups finalize their rankings, each group will present their choices to the class. Share your reasoning and explain how your group reached a consensus. Once all groups have presented, discuss the differences between rankings and reflect on the decision-making process. Questions to guide this discussion include: what values or attitudes shaped your decisions? What compromises did your group make? How do you feel about the final ranking? Do you agree with the group's decisions? Take this activity further by connecting it to real life. Reflect on these questions. How do actions and decisions affect others? What defines true friendship or love? How do you show care for yourself and others? Optional, use songs like Bruno Mars' "When I Was Your Man" or Ed Sheeran's "Perfect" to spark deeper conversations about feelings, regrets, and relationships. Well done! You've explored the complexities of ethical dilemmas, honed your teamwork skills, and reflected on the impact of actions and decisions. Remember, this isn't just about solving dilemmas. It's about learning to listen, collaborate, and think critically in every area of life. Thank you for participating in the Moral Dilemma.